Hello. It is a rainy day here in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. I just arrived at Northgate. It's been a while since I've been in here. I'm excited. I only need like 25 more cats for my cat sale. So let's go in it and see what they got. Check out this little turtle. Oh my gosh, how fun. It's got some damage, but it's only $3. It's an artisan made one, it looks like. Yeah, this is so cool. Wish it didn't have the damage on the tail. Well, right up here on the top shelf, I immediately spotted that heart planter with the daisies. Let's see if I can even get it down. So it's 25% off. And it's only got that one spot of paint loss. Valentine's Day planters go for really good money. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. This one's great, but it's $39, and it's more common, even though the condition is epic. I think I'm more into the one with the hearts and the daisies. I'm gonna do the math on that and see what else is in this case. So it comes to like 22 bucks. I'm honestly kind of nervous about that one spot of paint. I think it might be the thing that makes it go either way. A lot of really nice glass. Also not pictured is the fact that I just spent about $400 on costume jewelry and Bakelite down the road. I'm also planning on going out of town next week if all goes according to plan. What's going on over here? Some owls. Oh my God. I'm actually dead right now. Look at this cat planter, and it's plastic. I've never seen that before. That is absolutely everything. 10 bucks, that is a no-brainer. This is one of my favorites for sure. And then this little vase down here kind of caught my eye. $6, it's contemporary. I just saw the glitter naturally. And I love this dresser box, that is gorgeous. I like the pink milk glass. Well, this booth has 40% off right now. 45. I love the slag glass donkey. And what's happening over here with this fabulous Amberina set? Look at that. I've never seen one with the lid on it. Oh, that's great. $15 and 40% off. Well, that's kind of a no-brainer. And this is a fun one too. This tumbler, that could be used as a vase too, $12.50. Let me do some math and start a little pile here. So I'm gonna get the tumbler. I'm also gonna get both of these. I love their little stoppers in it. That is so good. Well, I was about to bring that stuff up to the front when I accidentally caught sight of what's going on in this booth. Oh my gosh, I put my basket straight down. The bluebirds, 36 for 3. The geisha, oh my gosh, she's 32, she's amazing. Wow, this is too much for me. I love the little wood dog salt and pepper shakers. Those are adorable. And the birds, those are at 22. The big fuzzy ceramic poodle. The one with rhinestone cat eye glasses. That's a great set of salt and pepper shakers too. I'm gonna take it all in before I get too crazy. Look at these new old stock rubber ducks. Those are $10 each. They're little soap dishes. And a single hold Howard shaker. Look at these weird little cat things. And then here's some more tiny animals. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's so great. And the fluffy ceramic. Oh. What do we have over here? Christmas. That's a great decanter. Oh my gosh, how fun is that? I love that green. It's a great shape too. And then I can't even with this. Look at that. And it's got this cute little pink fish rattle, $12. Well, this is gonna happen. This painted pink chalkware fish for 10 bucks. That's a no-brainer. Really nice and poly looking things. I'm very distracted by this. This is even more my speed. I love the Earl Bernard up there and the rubber squeak toy lamb. That's at 14. That's actually not a bad price. I could still make a couple bucks off that, but I've had them a few times kind of recently. And there it is, up in that chair. I have to know how much that cat is. Oh my gosh, hold on, let me not drop my chalkware. Look at it. Look at it. Ah, look at it. And before I go ask how much, if they can get a ladder, I guess, I see this small squeak toy. Yes, it's Dreamland. It doesn't squeak anymore, but for $7, that is a steal. Dreamland is harder to find. And then I see the Edward Mobley. Yes, I realize I'm super zoomed in. 35, not bad. Oh my gosh, I have to know about that cat. I'm obsessed. I've never seen it before. It's $24 and I'm taking it home. I think I still need to find just as many cats. I don't know if I can part with that. I feel pretty good though. I've done 365 cats, well, almost, and I've only pocketed like 6, 7, 8, like 8. Well, this isn't what I normally flock to, but I could not help but notice this art glass duck. That is very different. It's got a really amazing look to it. It kind of feels expensive, I'm not gonna lie. It's $35 and 20% off. I don't know anything about it, but I'm gonna take an educated guess that that's probably a steal for what it is. I don't really feel like messing with it though. Look at that bird, that's gorgeous, the Burmese. And this Kana, little Amberina pitcher, that's kind of a sweet size. And after the discount, it comes to $4. For $4, I'll take that. This daisy fish caught my attention. Look at this. A fish made of daisies. Oh, it's a necklace. Dang, I thought it was going to be a brooch. And then speaking of daisies, see some beaded ones, a little bouquet of daisy picks. $8 to $6.40. Those would be fun to add to something. Yeah, I'll take that. You can make something cool out of that. We love beaded flowers, especially when they're daisies. Hello, bunny rabbits. Well, this one's adorable. The planter, $22.50. Not bad. I really like this chalkware one back there. He's at $49. Some dream pets hiding in here. Look at this. The little lamb, $18. I'm assuming the bunny is price close by. Yeah, $18. Can't do anything with that. But look at this. Fenton hobnail with beaded flowers. That is gorgeous. Kind of a shipping nightmare. Not really, maybe. I could do it if I really wanted to. It's so happy. Oh, I got my little flowers. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Look at this. That's fantastic. Little woodles. Woolies, not woodles. Gosh, hello. $10. It's not a bad price. I think I can do better though. And I'm getting into costume jewelry territory. I found some really great stuff in this booth the last time I was here. Look at that crazy cat bolo tie. This is a gorgeous piece of Fenton. Oh my gosh. I love the Rosaline. And then I see some cat, are they salt and pepper shakers? They are. $4. Black cats. Well, I'll take those for the cat sale. Those are really different. Oh my gosh, what in the world are these things? Stop it right now. Donkey salt and pepper shakers. Oh my gosh, $8. Please tell me they're not broken. Oh, they're perfect. You're welcome. We'll take those. Oh, those rose bowls are gorgeous. $40. The pink one, oh my gosh, $40. That's so pretty. This little paperweight is contemporary, but it's only $2. Yeah, it's even etched. Maybe it's not contemporary. For $2, I'll take that. Oh my gosh, look at this plastic rabbit. How fantastic. Those are getting harder and harder to find. That one's in great condition. And some Easter picks, old new stock. Oh my gosh, look at this Austin statue. What? That's amazing. What's this hiding back here? That's very cool. Blanco question mark as is though. What's as is about it? I'm assuming because of the price it's very as is, but I don't see. Oh, it's got a chip at the front. Ah, it's not too bad. This is really pretty too. I love the end of day style. I was looking at this red beaded necklace. That's fun. But then I saw this. That's glass. Fused glass. Oh my gosh, excuse me. I love the pastel colors. For $7, I am gonna go ahead and take that parrot. That's great. The egghead salt and pepper shakers are pretty great. Got a dry tickle in my throat there. $10. That's a really good price, actually. Is there an additional discount? I don't think so. I can't get the tag out. Let's see. Yeah, those are in really good condition, actually. I'm gonna go ahead and take those. Whoa, look up here. Is this what I think it is? I don't think it is. No, it is one of the Mexican ones. I thought it might be the Italian or even the Valentino one they make. So I'm sad to say I'm putting the set back because the top doesn't actually fit right in it. So that's kind of a bust. What's that orange thing? How neat. That almost looks Venetian. What does this say? Multicolor vase, $8. Polished base. Something is telling me to grab that. At $8, it's not like I'll lose or anything. Very cool. And you know I gotta check out that piece of Tiffany blue glass back here. Love that color. Fenton mustard kettle. Interesting. What are those green smileys hiding back here? Are those salt and pepper shakers? They are. They're hobbyist. How strange. Oh my gosh, look at the back of them. Those are perfect. $5. I'll take those. Those are so fun. Well, I spent $121 in there, and I think I'm actually going to do something I've only done once ever. I think I'm going to try out the Carlisle Antique